Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Here's your boy Yuri from Gold Sniper Signals, and today we're going to break down how I made $9,800 with 3 trades on 2 trading days. I will show you exactly why I entered this trade and why I took this trade. Let's start with the first trade, and this one was a gold trade. I took this trade on a Tuesday, and it's a very simple trade. I just waited until the gold price was reaching one of these zones, my beautiful boxes that I draw here inside in TradingView, and basically I was waiting until the price was touching this demand zone so it will trigger my buy limit order. As you know, in the previous video, this was one trade. It was a sell because here it break through this resistance zone and then retested, and there I almost got stopped out, so I closed that in, it was I think $1,700. I closed that with profit, but actually it was a little bit higher. But this time I just waited until the price was touching this demand zone. As you can see, the price of gold is pretty reacting strong to this area, and you can see that here's a very strong push to the upside, and that's why I decided I will draw here a nice demand zone, and I will wait until the gold price will touch this area, and I will go for a buy. And let's play this trade out. It takes a while. And it touched this demand zone and triggered my buy order. Immediately when the gold price touching this demand zone, it's immediately pushing to the upside. A bit faster. And boom, it touched my take profit, exactly what I targeted, and then you can see it's slowly moving downwards, and this trade banked me $8,900. Okay guys, let's break down this second trade. It was British pounds against US dollars, and for this trade I was looking for a sell. And as you know, in the previous video I entered here a buy as soon as the price of this currency was touching this upper trend line. Then I hit a buy, but unfortunately it did not hit my take profit, but I made some profit at the end of the day. And now I was noticing that the price of British pound US dollar is stagnating and slowly moving to the downside, and therefore I want to make sure that this currency is moving downwards, and therefore it must cross this trend line to the downside and this trend line to the downside. And as you can see, I also draw here a trend line, and you will figure it out why I draw it a little bit later. So let's hit the replay. So as you can see, it confirmed that we crosses our trend line. It crossed this trend line bounced up again and bounced down again, and I was waiting until the price will touch this trend line. That's why I draw that roundabout in this area, and I was waiting until the price will touch this trend line, and then I will go for a sell. I was really patiently waiting for this trade, so it hit my sell order. So, and I need of course another confirmation, and therefore I use my Fibonacci retracement tool. Therefore I put it here, and the 1 to the 0, and I waited until the price was touching this 0.5 fib level and that 0.618 fib level, and that's a really good area to enter a sell. And that was the second confirmation that the price will move down of this currency. And let's play it full out. And boom, it smashed my take profit. It was bouncing up and down, and then at the end it pushed strong down. It hit my take profit. I risked around about $1,000 and I made $2,165 on this trade. But the overall trend of this currency is still bullish, but for now the price is correcting, and it will not correct forever, because here I draw also another big trend line, and basically the price can go all the way to this area down and still is in the uptrend. That's why you must always analyze where is the price moving in the short term and in the long term, and then you wait for some confirmations, for example through the trend lines, and then you use your fib tool, and then you wait until it hits your area of interest, and then you go buy or sell. So that was my two trades, a gold trade and this British pounds US dollar trade on Tuesday. And the next day I took another trade, and it was a gold trade. But this gold trade, you will see that now in the replay, did not went well I was expecting. So I was basically waiting until the price of gold will enter this resistance. It's a smaller resistance zone, and I was hoping that the price will push immediately down. And as you can see, I got immediately stopped out, because that's always what the big players doing. They really stop loss hunt you. They see where your stop loss is, and then you smash you out, and then it smash it down. And actually, as you can see, it was smashing my take profit. But I was not so sad. At the end of the day, I lost $1,300 on this trade, but the two trades before was very profitable. That's why I was very happy. For this trade, I risked a little bit lower than the other two trades, because I was already profitable. That's why you don't have to over risk every time. And that's it for the week. I placed basically 5 trades from Monday to Wednesday, and that's it. And you don't have to over trade always, so make sure that your wins are big, and so you don't have to trade the whole week, because more trades doesn't mean more wins. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like and enjoy it, and if so, hit that thumb up, subscribe to my channel. If you're interested to copy trades like this, then check out my video description. There are some links to my products. And yeah, I hope you like this video and you learned something, and you can adjust that to your own strategy. And yo, we see us in the next video, guys.